Time now to check in with Walt Arnold from Sperry, Van Ness. Well, every property that I've ever owned required that I purchase title insurance, but you rarely hear about anyone have a claim regarding their title insurance. Can you talk a little bit this morning about the benefits of title insurance and its importance?
Hey, well, good morning, Terry, and I hope you had a great Easter. Title insurance is one of those things you have, but, what's it for, and really what does it protect? And I think the simple answer is that title insurance protects the holder from losses sustained and defects in the title. And it also protects in a few other ways. It protects the ownership rights to a property, both from fraudulent claims and just simple mistakes such as inaccurate property descriptions or, maybe a misspelled name. It's usually a one-time purchase at closing, and it's usually paid for by the seller. And you can buy additional insurance to assure for other potential defects. There are policies for both the borrower and the lender's policy is called a mortgagee policy. Another important issue that you need to pay attention to is the type of deed, such as a warranty deed or a special warranty deed, which will have an impact on the length of time going back in the past the property will be insured. So it's a good idea if you have any questions regarding title issues to contact a real estate attorney and get those questions answered.
Okay, great. Thanks, Walt. Now, last week you discussed the office market. Can you give us an update on the industrial market?
Well, sure. The industrial market has had some activity. Most of it at Mesa del Sol is MSR and FSR took 46,000 square feet, and another company, CFV Solar, took another 28,000 square feet in the same building. So the industrial vacancy rate did decline, but the main reason it declined was the demolition of the 600,000 square foot GE jet engine plant. So that's one way to decrease the vacancy rate is you just tear down buildings. So the vacancy rate did decline to 9.1%. The median asking rate for industrial spaces are going for about $7 per square foot per year on a triple net basis, means that the tenant pays the rent and all other costs associated with the property.
And what else do you have for us today?
Hey, well, Terry, just FYI on the industrial vacancy, since 2007, the industrial vacancy rate has increased from 4.7% to 9.1%, and that's added about 1.7 million square feet of additional space in the market. And a lot of this space is older and has what real estate brokers call functional obsolescence, which basically means that it's old and it just doesn't meet the requirements of new industrial tenants these days. So there are some great opportunities in the industrial market, both in existing buildings, acquiring land for future plans, or considering built-to-suit opportunities.
So, Walt, how can people reach you today?
Well, thanks, Terry. You can call Walt Arnold at Sperry, Van Ness. My direct line is 256-1255. Website is waltarnold.com. If you have any questions regarding commercial estate, give me a call. We can help. Hey, thanks, Terry. Have a great week.
Thank you. You too. That's Walt Arnold from Sperry, Van Ness.